Hello everyone! Today I'm going to teach you how to use Prezi. This is the first page you will see when you type in Prezi.com. In order to start making a Prezi, click the Get Started button in the center of the page. This is the next page that will pop up. Click Sign Up Now next to the public $0 per month option. Now it is time to sign up for Prezi. Type in your name, your email address, and then type in a password. Click I agree to the terms of use next to the sign up button and then click sign up. This is the page you will see every time you log into your profile on Prezi. As you can see in the top right hand corner, there should be your name. Now click the new Prezi button and let's get started. This is the page that will pop up once you create a new Prezi. You can choose from various templates, or you can search for more templates in the search box. Choose one that fits the logic of your presentation. I'm going to go with Center Stage. So this is what your Prezi looks like. I'm going to go through and show you some of the main features of Prezi so that you can add your own content and make this Prezi unique to you. First of all, I'm going to show you how to enter your own text. Let's try editing the title. Click the Click to Add Title placeholder for text, and then start typing in your text. Now the menu bar above the placeholder will allow you to modify your text. You can do everything from changing colors to changing size, and you can even add a bulleted list. Many of the features look very similar to those you'd find in Microsoft Office products. Now on the left-hand side of Prezi, you'll see a list of thumbnails. This shows the order that Prezi will use to zoom between objects and places in your presentation. Now let's say you want to edit a particular circle on your presentation. In order to zoom to that so you can see it more closely, you want to click on the thumbnail that displays that particular circle. However, there is another way to zoom to the frame that you want to edit. Click on the frame and a few options will pop up. You want to click the first button that says Zoom to Frame, and it will take you to a close-up of the frame for easy editing. This is a close-up of a frame. You can edit text the same way we edited the title. Just click on the placeholder and type in your text. You can also use the menu bar above in the same way that we did earlier. Now let's say you want to add text somewhere where there isn't already a placeholder. All you have to do is click on the area outside of a frame that you want to add text and then just start typing. It's that easy. Now let's talk about moving text in Prezi. After you enter your text, click away from the placeholder. Then, the next time you single-click that placeholder, a menu should pop up that includes a hand in the middle and plus or minus symbols. If you click on the hand, it will allow you to drag and drop your placeholder to any place on the Prezi screen. The plus will increase the size of the placeholder, and the minus will, of course, decrease the size. Now let's talk about more things that you can add to your Prezi. At the top of the screen, you'll see a button that says Frames and Arrows. This allows you to add more of those elements to your Prezi. Next to that, there is an Insert button. That allows you to add things like pictures, videos, and even PowerPoint slides to your Prezi. Lastly, you'll see a button that says Themes. This allows you to change things like your color scheme. Let's try adding a new frame. I'm going to click the Frames and Arrow button and then click Draw Rectangular Frame. Then I click on the Prezi screen and drag my mouse to the right and then let go. I now have a rectangular frame. Now let's say I want to insert an image into my rectangular frame. I'm going to click the Insert button and click Image. Then I can either add an image from my own files or I can search for one on the web. By default, when you add a new frame, it is automatically put to the bottom of your thumbnail list, which means it will come last in your presentation. But let's say you want it to come earlier in your presentation. Well, then you need to edit your path. In order to edit your path, click the Edit Path button on top of your thumbnail list. Then you will see blue lines and numbers that connect the different objects in your Prezi. You can click on a blue number and drag it to an item on your Prezi to reorder your Prezi. For example, if I click on 3 and drag it to my new rectangular frame, my rectangular frame will become third in the presentation. You can also click on a plus and drag it to an item to make it next on your Prezi. So for example, if you click on the plus next to 2 and drag it to an item, that item will become third. The last way to reorder your Prezi is to click on the thumbnail and drag it up and down the list until it is in the order that you desire. Now let's say that you want to see your whole Prezi at the same time. Just click the box above the Edit Path button and it will show you the overview of your Prezi. Now it's time to present your Prezi. Click on the blue Present button at the top left-hand corner of your Prezi screen. This is the screen that will pop up. It is now in presentation mode. Click Allow and then use the left and right arrows at the bottom of the screen to navigate. Another important feature of Prezi is the ability to share your presentation. Go to the top right-hand corner, click Share, and then click Share Prezi under that. You can share your Prezi by either typing in somebody's email address and selecting Editor if you want them to work on it with you, or Viewer if you just want them to be able to see it, or you can copy and paste the link into a Facebook post, or you can even tweet it out. Lastly, click the Exit button at the top right-hand corner to save and close your presentation. This will take you back to your Prezi homepage. Click on your Prezi and we'll see some different options. You can either click the blue Edit button or use the left and right arrows to present your Prezi. Now let's talk about naming. Your presentation is now untitled, but if you click the pencil next to Untitled Prezi, you can add your own name and description. Click the Learn and Support tab at the top of the web page to receive more information on how to use Prezi. Thanks for watching, and good luck with all of your Prezi endeavors.